For decades, companies try to improve the way we secure our doors, from making our locks smarter, more convenient, and safer. Our lock has taken years of research and development, and we combined features in all the popular smart locks and made it more advanced. From the sleek, seamless design of the solid zinc alloy build to the LED panel that houses the world's advanced security features. This is the Lockley Smart Lock. The patented keypad is powered by Pin Genie, an advanced algorithm system that protects your access codes from being guessed by unwanted guests. The digits rotate every time a code is entered, making it hard to guess the correct sequence. An advanced 3D fingerprint sensor can store up to 99 fingerprints and only recognizes physical fingers, preventing the use of lifted or replicated prints, allowing those registered access. Access codes and fingerprints are just the beginning. Our Bluetooth-powered smart locks can be unlocked conveniently with our mobile app. With the app, you'll be able to manage who comes and goes and grant access to guests even if you're not there. Best of all, with Lockley's patent-pending offline access code feature, it does not need to connect to the internet to receive access requests and allows guests to unlock with their unique access code. The codes automatically get revoked after your preset duration, making remote management simple even if your lock is located in a location without internet access. With all this technology, you can also unlock the smart lock with a physical key. Lockley Secure works universally for most doors and is available in deadbolt and latch editions. Lockley, come home secure, essential to every household.
Can technology give you peace of mind? What if you never had to worry about lost keys? Or having to take a half day to meet the handyman? Or wondering if you remember to lock the door? Introducing the Schlage & Code Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. It connects directly to your home's Wi-Fi network to provide smartphone control from anywhere. Create up to 100 unique access codes. Monitor access from an app and even control the lock with your voice. The Schlage & Code Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt is easy to install and sets up in minutes. Everything you need to get started is included. No additional adapters or subscriptions are required, saving you time and money. Providing peace of mind from anywhere, the Schlage & Code Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt makes it easier than ever to upgrade your home to the safety, simplicity, and style of Schlage.
We all want to live in a truly smart, connected home. Introducing USE, an intelligent lock that brings forth the newest home security experience. Now you have the freedom to secure your home at maximum convenience. With the USE lock, you have complete control over how you unlock your door. Your smartphone is your key. Simply by tapping on your smartphone, you can open your door for your friends. With a built-in camera, you can get notifications when someone is nearby, so your home is always protected and will never be caught off guard. When going out, you can set USE to the double security mode. With video recording and its alert function, unwanted visitors will think twice before stepping foot on your property. USE combines all of our best security features into one lock. You are free to use the traditional key, smartphone, fingerprint, passcode, and key fob. You will never have to worry about losing or forgetting your keys again. But we didn't stop there. With the advanced biometric facial recognition technology, you can even unlock your door with a glance. All it takes is a look. Back us today on Kickstarter and give your home a new level of security and convenience.
What do you want for a snack?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
Yeah, that's great. Excited to see you this weekend, Mom. Bye.
It's going to be a great game today.
What was good about Nuki is now even better. We asked our community and learned from experience. The result is the Nuki Smart Lock 2.0. Precision engineered in Europe, it can still be installed in less than 3 minutes. And now it's also compatible with knob and oval cylinders. One of the Nuki users' commonest wishes was the facility of an access code. So now there's the Nuki keypad. Together with the fob, Nuki thus offers the perfect solution for every application. Compatible with iOS and Android smartphones, Nuki is also the most flexible smart lock in Europe when it comes to integration in existing smart home systems. It communicates with all smart speakers, and not forgetting how brilliantly it can interact with Apple HomeKit. Yet another of our community's big wishes fulfilled. A lot has also happened under the hood. The faster processor has yielded a roughly 3-fold increase in speed of communication with the smart lock. Bluetooth 5 significantly increases range and improves the auto unlock experience. And regarding flexibility, it's now possible to assign up to 200 access permissions. Also revolutionary, the new door sensor. With this, the Nuki Smart Lock reports not only the status of the lock mechanism, but also that of the door. Turn your smartphone into a key, make your door lock smart with the Nuki Smart Lock 2.0. One smart lock for all.
Reinvent your door lock with WeLock. A safer, smarter, more convenient way to secure your home. Your finger is your key. WeLock is the keyless smart lock you can access by fingerprint, remote control, and smartphone app. Simply register your fingerprint, and you'll never search for your keys again. Easily share door access from anywhere without having to pass on a key. You can even open the door while your hands are tied. And with backup access, you never need a locksmith, even during power or battery emergencies. Installation is easy. and fits all US and European standard locks. Unlock your smart home life with WeLock.
With Kiwi, your lock opens with a simple passcode. No key needed. Store up to 20 different passcodes depending on your needs. And Kiwi is also Bluetooth operated. It uses low-power Bluetooth to automatically unlock when you approach. And then relock after you've entered.
Here's the problem, you might say. What if the power goes out? How will I get inside?
Kiwi Smart Lock also comes with a physical key for emergencies and millennial nostalgia.
And your doors are protected by ANSI Grade 2 deadbolts, keeping out unwanted guests during a blackout.
Even during the purge. And Kiwi keeps a record of everyone who's entered my home, sending push alarms to my cell whenever someone opens my door. Perfect for going out of town. But what will that mean for my guests? This is Tim. Right now, he's at my office, even though I'm not. Since I can control multiple Kiwi locks with a fabulous app, I can let Tim into my office from home. I can also send Tim a one-time passcode, so he can let himself in.
What about long-term guests?
Long-term guests are easy with the Kiwi Guest Fee. I can schedule an event so that my friends have free access during their stay. My guests can let themselves in, and the key expires after their stay, making it perfect for Airbnb. And when I say that Kiwi is smart, I mean it. Kiwi connects to your other smart appliances and services because it's compatible with Z-Wave. This means that Kiwi connects to home hubs like Alexa and Google Home. Let's say that my friend Tim forgets to lock the door after he leaves. I'll get an alert from my hub and lock my door remotely with the app. Kiwi can be the first appliance to alert your hub at your home. But what if you don't have a hub yet? Then use Wi-Fi to connect your phone to Kiwi. Whichever and whatever way you need Kiwi to be. Kiwi is a smart appliance that works with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Z-Wave. Kiwi, a seriously smart door lock.